What's up, everyone? All right, so check it out. We took delivery of the Ultra Red Highland Performance Model 3, and the first thing that we did was we kind of charted the efficiency of this vehicle with the factory 20-inch wheels, and then we immediately took the 18x9 Aspira AF10s, the forged wheels off of my Model 3 Performance, my 2020. It has some OEM Tesla spec tires on it from Radar, so shout out to Radar, thank you for the tires. We've been testing these on my Model 3 for some time now, and we wanted to put it on this one to see how the efficiency was on this in comparison to the 20s. Well, the results are staggering. I can't believe how efficient this car is with this 18-inch wheel setup with the Aspiras and Radars. We're talking like as good or better than a long-range Highland Model 3. We'll share those results with you in the future, but what's on the menu today is we're trying to level out this car. So check it out. This car came from the factory with about a 20mm rake. So the rear was sitting about 20mm higher than the front. Well, we've got about 400-ish miles on the vehicle now, and it has settled about 5mm in the rear, but it's still got a 15mm forward rake. Well, we do want to put some different wheels and tires on it, or actually tires, same wheels. And we want to really get rid of this rake. So as you can see here, we've got, about a 3-finger gap up in the front. But then when you go to the back, you got like 4 fingers right here. So what we're going to do, we don't actually know what the factory spring rates are, but we have a pretty decent idea based on some history of the older Model 3s. We actually grabbed a coilover spring and adjustable perch from one of our other Model 3s. We're going to throw that in the back with the factory dampers, and we're going to level this car out along with some Mountain Pass performance rear camber arms that we pulled from Tim's old Model 3. These are the best and easiest camber arms you can use. They're easy to adjust. They work really well. I just can't tell you as an alignment technician how awesome these camber arms are. We're not a fan of jam nuts. We love the pinch bolts. I'm just telling you, these things are amazing. So we're going to put the springs on it. We're going to level the car out, and this gives us height adjustability. So it's just kind of a way we can figure things out. We're going to get the camber arms on it. We're going to correct the camber, and then we're going to go to a meaty setup. So we've got 2 different setups. We've got the Aspira Forged AF10s and the satin graphite. We're going to go to a 265. We got meats because we heard a lot of you guys on the Facebook group were like, why did you put 235s on it? Why? You got a performance. It doesn't make sense. Well, there was a reason for that, but now we are going to go to a 265 on the 18x9 AF10. And then we've got a set of 245/45s. These are sticky tires. These are around 260 treadwear tires. We got the brushed titanium finish right here. So we're going to put the 245s on this. And we're going to test out how fast we can do some drag slips on it. And we're going to test out the lateral grip as well as how well these dampers take in the rear to a lower ride height. So stay tuned as we get this thing on. Watch for a future episode where we actually show you the results. Thanks, guys.